Sleek, powerful, and built for the future, the Zectron Folding e-bike is redefining urban mobility. With its cutting-edge design, long range, and seamless folding mechanism, this e-bike is perfect for city commuters, adventure seekers, and eco-conscious riders. The Zectron e-bike boasts a sleek, futuristic frame made from magnesium alloy, which makes it both lightweight and durable. The smooth curves and seamless frame integration give it a minimalist yet stylish look. The weld-free design not only enhances its aesthetics but also increases structural integrity. Plus, the integrated battery maintains the bike's sleek profile, making it look more like a high-end gadget than a traditional e-bike. Don't let its compact size fool you, the Zectron e-bike packs some serious power. It features a 350W hub motor that delivers smooth and consistent acceleration, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling slight inclines, the Zectron's motor ensures a comfortable and powerful ride. Range anxiety? Not with the Zectron e-bike. It comes with a removable lithium-ion battery that offers up to 70 miles, 112 kilometers of range on a single charge, depending on your riding mode and terrain. The battery is fully removable, making it convenient for charging on the go or at home. Plus, it charges in 4 to 6 hours, so you'll be ready for your next ride in no time. One of the standout features of the Zectron e-bike is its innovative folding mechanism. It folds down in just 10 seconds, making it incredibly easy to store, transport, or carry onto public transport. Weighing around 45 pounds, 20 kilograms, it's light enough to carry comfortably yet sturdy enough for daily commutes. Whether you're navigating a crowded train or storing it in a small apartment, the Zectron's compact size makes it super convenient. The Zectron e-bike is packed with smart features. It comes with a built-in digital display that shows your speed, battery level, and ride stats. Plus, it offers app connectivity for enhanced functionality. You can track your bike's location, monitor performance, and even lock the bike remotely through the app, giving you peace of mind and total control over your ride. Riding the Zectron e-bike isn't just fun, it's also eco-friendly. By opting for an e-bike over a car, you're reducing your carbon footprint and saving money on gas and maintenance. Plus, it's a cost-effective transportation solution, perfect for city dwellers and daily commuters looking to cut down on expenses while enjoying a greener, healthier lifestyle. So, there you have it, the Zectron Folding e-bike is a stylish, powerful, and versatile electric bike designed for modern urban living. With its impressive range, smart features, and compact design, it's perfect for commuters, adventurers, and eco-conscious riders alike. What do you think of the Zectron e-bike? Would you add this futuristic ride to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome e-bike reviews and tech showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.